Bang a bunch of sticks together. But slowly, even slower. Skipping straight to the hardest part of the beat, we're going to create a clap pattern. Add some hi-hats. This also counts, I guess. Add this kick so you can feel like Jay Dilla. Except your version of sample flipping is finding a kit that hasn't been uploaded to r/drumkits by Lunch77 and adding a bit of EQ. Add an 808, I guess. Not much to say about this one really. Make this sort of percussion loop. It wouldn't be a Baby No Money beat without a video game reference. Make the melody stop or whatever, and here's what it should sound like.